Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by combining the essentials now: Tenebrosity base, 0. 5G catalyst and the Bingus carrier. Measure precisely on a 0.01 G scale because small deviations alter reactivity. Once mixed dry, add 3 ml solvent slowly while stirring to avoid clumps. This ensures uniform dispersion. Make sure to work at 22 degrees C and under ventilation, and keep safety gear on. This first step sets the chemical matrix. Get ratios right now so later stages behave predictably. Once the mixture is stable, you activate the reaction matrix by ramping temperature to 45 degrees C over 10 minutes while stirring at 600 RPM. Gradual heat prevents runaway. Then add the activation trigger dropwise, 0.2 ml every 2 minutes until you reach 1 ml, so reaction fronts remain controlled. As you do this, watch for the color shift and a steady increase in viscosity. Record values every 5 minutes to catch anomalies. This controlled pacing produces the Bingus-bound tenebrosity phase you need for relief. You finish by cooling the blend slowly to 18-20 degrees C and giving a short 1-minute shear at 800 RPM to homogenize the Tenebrosity Matter Bingus. Next, filter through a 0.45 micro-m membrane to remove particulates and dry under 10% vacuum for 30 minutes to stabilize the matrix. If you see phase separation or inconsistent texture, remix at 40 degrees C for 5 minutes and rerun filtration. This troubleshooting loop fixes incomplete activation without scrapping the batch.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.